What's up, guys? Today we've got something really hot. I came across a tool that people in the crypto community are already talking about a lot. And honestly, after digging into it myself, I understand why. This is the Solana Sniper Bot, a sniper trading bot for Solana and Pump Fund. And today we're not just doing a review, we're trading live. You'll see everything with your own eyes, how it works, how fast it reacts, and what happens to the account after several trades. Let's go. So we open the website, and from the very first seconds, you can tell this isn't some quickly thrown together project. Everything is clean, fast, and the navigation is intuitive. Look at the numbers right on the homepage. More than 100,000 successful trades, 99.9% uptime, and pay attention, response time under 10 milliseconds. That's literally faster than you can blink. The rating is 4.9 out of 5, and it's not just a number on the website. Trustpilot shows 4.7, real people, real reviews. Right now, almost 917 traders are trading online, and the volume is $3.2 million. This is not a toy, but enough looking at pretty numbers. Let's trade. Before launching the bot, now we need to configure it. And this is the part I really liked. Everything is extremely simple, even if it's your first day in crypto. Look. We set the minimum investment per trade and the maximum. That's your risk management directly in the interface. No magic, you decide how much to risk. Next, slippage tolerance, meaning the acceptable slippage. Take profit. We set a profit target and the bot will close the position automatically when it reaches it. Stop loss in case the market moves the wrong way, and max dev hold. This protects you from tokens where the developers hold too large a share. Smart, right? We turn on auto sell and the bot runs fully automatically. Click Save Configuration. And that's it. The strategy is saved. By the way, on the right side, it immediately shows a preview of the strategy, the risk level, and the target profit. Everything is right there. All right, let's launch the bot. We go to the trading section, and here it is, a live dashboard. We connect the wallet. Look how fast everything works. The bot is already scanning the market. Literally a few seconds after launch, the first trade, boom, entered a position, faster than I could finish the sentence. That's what a response time under 10 milliseconds means. You're not competing with people, you're competing with other bots. And this one is among the fastest. Oh, here we go. First trade, profit. Second one, also green. Look how it works. Trade after trade, non-stop. This isn't randomness. It's an algorithm that selects only promising tokens. Wait, look, the bot found a token but didn't enter. That's not a bug, that's AI protection in action. Pump Fund Sniper uses artificial intelligence to automatically filter out scams, rug pull projects, and honeypot traps, situations where you buy but can't sell. The bot checks all of this before entering a trade. That's why there are so many successful trades here. It simply avoids entering positions where money could be lost. This isn't luck, it's a system. While the bot is trading, let's quickly look through the other sections of the website because there are some interesting things there too. The referral system, I really like this. You bring friends, you earn real money. No complicated conditions, everything is transparent. You can literally monetize your audience or simply recommend it to friends and earn passive income. Smart move by the team. Support, and this is important, works 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've seen reviews where people say support responds quickly. For a crypto tool, that's a huge plus because the market never sleeps and problems can appear at 3 a.m. The pricing section, several plans to choose from. There's an option to try it out and more advanced plans for serious trading. The main thing is there are no hidden conditions. Everything is written clearly. FAQ. This section contains answers to the most common questions. If you're a beginner, this is the first place you should check before starting. Everything is explained in simple terms. All right, let's summarize the trading results. Looking at the numbers, honestly, this is impressive. During the time we recorded this video, the bot executed several dozen trades. Most of them were profitable. And look at the speed. Trade after trade, no pauses, no freezes. The system runs like clockwork. That's what happens when AI plus speed plus risk filtering work together. You're not guessing the market. You're simply letting the algorithm do its job. And you know what's the coolest part? While I was recording this video and explaining how everything works, the bot kept trading by itself without me. So what do we have here? This isn't just a bot, it's a full-featured automated trading tool for Solana with AI protection, lightning-fast execution speed, a referral system, 24/7 support, and full transparency. For beginners, it's an opportunity to enter trading without complicated setups and mistakes. For experienced traders, it's automation that works while you sleep. Personally, I'm impressed. You don't see products with this kind of speed, protection level, and user-friendly interface every day. The link to the website is in the description. Go check it out yourself, explore the settings. It's free. Just take a look at what's there. And if you like it, the referral program will even let you bring friends and earn together. If this video was helpful, leave a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm show the video to people who actually need it. Subscribe. There's a lot more content like this coming, and write in the comments. Have you tried sniper bots before? It would be interesting to hear about your experience. See you in the next video. Bye.